A little bit.
Hi friends, welcome back to Sunny Science Club. And today we're gonna be making color changing slime. I love this experiment, it's just the best. So what you'll need is contact solution, baking soda, glue, thermochromic powder. That's the special ingredient that makes our slime change colors when it changes temperature. Ice cubes and a warm mug. I'm gonna pour the whole bottle of glue. And I'm serious, you'll need a whole bottle. Glue is a polymer. You can see it's very runny. Long repeating chains flowing past each other. Baking soda. Pour that in and mix. Now we're ready to add our thermochromic powder. Now I'm gonna take this and take a teaspoon. That's about a teaspoon. Now this stuff can get a little bit messy, so be careful. No more little specks? Good, perfect. Now we're gonna use our contact solution and we're gonna add about maybe like a squirt, and we can always add more. So you can already see it's starting to become less sticky and it's wanting to stick to itself. You know, we might add a little bit more just to make sure it's all great and sticky. This is our slime activator. That's how it changes it to slime so quickly. Now you're just gonna wanna get your hands in there. Start mixing with your hands. Oh, this is so slimy. And the more you knead it, the more that it will become slimy. You can already see it changing a little bit in our hands because our hands are hot. Wants to stick to everything. Okay, now I'm gonna take my mug and I'm gonna place it on top. And let's see. What happened to our slime? Did it turn pink? It turned a pinkish color. Look at that pink slime. And the more you play with it, the lighter it gets. Because when you play with it, it gets warmer. Or it might get, okay, let's see what happens when I put this next. We changed it back. That's because temperature changes the way the molecules line up. When they are warm, they rearrange and reflect light differently. It's science magic, but it's chemistry. I'm gonna try to draw a smiley face. Oh my gosh. Now we also have this heating pad that we can use. Roll our slime around in this heating pad. Now, do you think that we should draw on this with our ice cube? Let's try. Ooh. Huge eyes. I'm gonna show it to you on my hand. Okay, there. Down. I don't think I'll have room for the ice. Oh, there we go. Your hands are like little heaters heating the slime up. So what did we learn today? Did we learn about thermochromic pigments? Yes, we did. Did we learn about how fun it can be to change slime, colored slime? And maybe you learned Maybe you didn't even know that slime could change colors. All right, Sunny Scientists. Let me know if you do this at home, and don't forget to keep having fun with science in the sun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time, science buddies.